If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where we are solving previous year JEE main questions on parabola. So today we will be solving question number 7, 8 and 9. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. The circle this and the parabola this, two circles, one circle, one parabola is given. The equation of the common tangents to this curve is this. The line this where m is not is a common tangent, then m satisfies this. So these are the conditions. So how to we have to find a common tangents. So you know the tangents of parabola, direct formula is given. Then you can check whether that is tangent to the circle or not. Because tangent to parabola is easy. What is the tangent to parabola? Y equal to mx plus a by m. That was the condition. Okay, so what is here a? Because it is y square equal to 4 into root 5 into x. So a is here y square equal to 4ax. So a is here root 5. So it should be mx plus root 5 by m. So you can see something of this fashion, this line. Okay, so this is the tangent to this parabola. If it has to be tangent to this circle, x square plus y square equal to 5 by 2 root 5 by 2 whole square, because radius is this one. So what is has to be, because here center is 0 0. If this line has to be tangent of circle, how we conclude that a line is a tangent to circle? If the distance from the origin is equal to the radius. So if you find the distance from its center 0 0 is equal to 5 root 2, then that is your, then from that you can say it will be tangent. Okay, so let us check whether it will be tangent or not. So from 0 0 if you find the distance, what will be the distance? 0 minus 0, or you can suppose y I have taken that side, so 0 minus 0 plus root 5 by m divided by under root 1 square plus m square, or m square plus minus 1 square, that is okay. That should be equal to 5 by root 2. And you can take mod both sides, so you can square it and remove it. So 5 by m square, that is 1 by m square plus 1, should be equal to 25 by 4, that is 5. So you can have m square into m square plus 1, 5 is equal to 4, or 5m4 plus 5m square minus 4 equal to 0. Sorry, this is also root 5 by 2, so it will be 5 only. So 5 get cancelled, only 4 is there. That is not also 4, that is also 2. I have done so many mistakes. So this is 2. So you can factorize it. One factor will be m square plus 2, one factor will be m square minus 1, 2 minus 1. So this will be 0. So this cannot be, because m square cannot be minus 2, m cannot be imaginary, slope should be positive, and slope should be real, and so therefore m should be plus minus 1. So there are two lines possible. One is y is equal to, if m is equal to plus 1, if we take, it should be this one or this one. You can put there. So two lines which are common tangent to tangents and common tangent to both this parabola and both these circles. So there is a circle of this fashion, there is a parabola of this fashion. So there are two common tangents. You can see from geometry also you can find. One is this one is this one. One is plus slope, one is negative slope. One is negative slope, one is positive slope. Okay. So the first statement is correct. The equation of common tangents to the curve is this. Okay, this is correct. Now what is the second statement? If the line this means this, where the common tangents, then m satisfies this. So let us check whether m satisfies this equation or not. Whether this I am getting, no, m4 minus this equation I am not getting. So let me check. If I put m equal to 1, then this is satisfying. If you put, it is m4 minus 3m square plus 2. Put m equal to the plus minus 1, then it will satisfy. Plus 1 or minus 1, everything will be plus because it is 4m square. So it is 0. Okay, it is satisfying. So this is also true. 1 true, 2 true. So either 2 is a correct explanation. Whatever you are using 2 in given in 2, either you are using this one I have used. But this line, this equation, you can see it is not satisfying. Had it been this equation, then we could have said that 2 is the correct explanation of it. They are just saying that if m satisfies, there may be any other thing that also can satisfy this one, because it is to the power 4 roots it can have. So other roots also be there possible. So for that it will not be satisfying. It will not be tangent. It will be satisfying for one root. You can solve it. There will be other roots also. So that is not, because m root 2 will be also, plus minus root 2 will also be a solution of this one. This solution has plus minus 1 and plus minus root 2. You can factorize it and you can check. So this will not be possible. So for all roots, for all m that satisfying this, it will not be true. So you cannot conclude by seeing 2, you cannot conclude 1. 2 is correct because m satisfies this one, that is okay. But by seeing this you cannot say that, because there are other things for which it will not be possible. So 2 is okay, correct, but 2 is not the proper expression because you are not using this expression here. If it had one this one m4 plus m square minus 2, then 2 would have been a correct explanation for 1, because you are exactly using the what is given 2 for calculating 1. So it is option B. Now if you come to 8, the points of intersection of the normal of the parabola these at the ends of the lattice rectum. Okay, so at the end of the lattice, what is this your parabola? Your parabola is y square equal to 4x, or is this one 4x, that means your focus is at 1, 0. So at the normal of the intersection, point of intersection of the normals, so you have two normals at the end of, so this is your lattice rectum which goes through your focus. So you have normal from here, you have, so from where they meet, you need to find this point. It can meet x-axis, I don't know where, but from symmetry we can see it will meet at x-axis. This is by symmetry you can visualize it. So by symmetry you can give answer either B or D, it will be the answer, that is for sure. That is just drawing with symmetry, just the intuition. So okay, let us clear it. So if I take a point, it will be t square comma 2t, and here it will be t square comma minus 2t, and the midpoint is 1, 0. So you can apply this midpoint formula, t square plus t square by 2 should be equal to 1. So 2t square should be equal to 2, t square should be equal to plus minus 1. Then you can see t is equal to plus minus 1. So here t is equal to plus 1, and here t is equal to minus 1. So if t is equal to plus 1, this coordinate is 1, 2. Here t is equal to minus 1, this coordinate is 1, minus 2. So t either plus 1 or minus 1, you have two coordinates. You can write this normal, suppose it is PQ and it is TQ. So what is the equation of normal? At a point t, what was the slope of normal? Slope of normal at point t, it is minus t. Slope of normal. Slope of tangent at the point t, it was 1 by t. That theory you can see. So for the equation of the line, because it is minus t, so we can write one point, we know y minus 2 is equal to m. M is here minus t, t is here 1, so it is minus 1, x minus x1 is 1. So this equation will be x plus y is equal to 3. So this is equation 1. Then again for tq, what is the point? Y minus 2, and what is the slope here? Again minus t, so t is here minus 1, so it will be plus 1, and it is x minus 1. So if you do this one, then it is x minus y is equal to 3. So you can solve these two equation 1 and 2. You can see y would get cancelled, 2x equal to 6 or x equal to 3. If you put x equal to 3, then y should be equal to 0. So that is your answer. By solving 1, 2, you can see. So that is your option B. Now if you come to 9, the line this meets the parabola this only at the point. So only they are mentioning. Only means that become tangent of this one. Because if it touches parabola at only one point, that means that is its tangent. Okay. If it crosses 2 points, then it becomes chord. So the line this is a tangent to the parabola this at the point this. Okay. So this is second statement. This is first statement. This is second statement. So let us see. This is somehow of second statement format. And what is the parabola? Parabola is equal to y square. So let us first say this one. Y square equal to 4ax. A tangent of this one was the format of y equal to mx plus a by m. Let us see at what point it is touching, because they have given a point also, whether it is correct or not. Let's check. Then from that we can see, because if 2 is correct, 2 is a theorem type. If this anything, any straight line of m slope will be tangent if at the point this. So you can find this slope of this point, you can put it there. If it is minus 2, then you can, because it is general. So let us see whether 2 is correct, because then 2 becomes theorem. You can apply this one for finding it. So y equal to mx plus a by m. So if you put it there and then try to solve it, you can directly remember also. There are formulas given. I have not mentioned it so that you should not remember such things. In long formulas, lots of formulas. So that's why I have not mentioned. So you can try this one also. Remember this one also. In some books you will find it. So if you do it, it is m square x square minus 2ax plus a square by m square, that is equal to 0. So you can see, you can factorize it, because if you take product, it is a square, a plus a is equal to 2a. So you can factorize it minus ax plus a square by m square, that is equal to 0. If you take x is equal to common, it is m square x minus a minus, if you LCM it, so 1 by m square will come here, and if you take a common, a by m square, suppose if I take common, so m square will come here and it will be m square x minus a. So if you take factorize it, I am doing it here, m square x minus a, then x minus a by m square, that is equal to 0. So 2x you will get, 1x is a by m square and 1x is, so both are a by m square. That is good. This is a it can be made, that means a minus b whole square also. Okay, we have done a little far. Okay, no issue. If a x is equal to this, then you can find a also, y also. Y is equal to 4a into x, that is a by m square. So y square is equal to, that is 4a square by m square, that is y is equal to 2a by m. So that means a tangent will be the line. So the point at which it becomes tangent is the, what is the point? A by m square comma 2a by m. So it becomes tangent at the point this. So this line becomes tangent of this parabola at the point this. So now what is the parabola they have given? They have given parabola equal to y square equal to minus 2x. So if we put what is m here, what is a here? A is 4 into minus 1 by 2. Sorry, minus will be, will keep that side. Because I have taken 4ax, so that's why I am considering it is minus a by 2. So that's why I am considering a is equal to minus a. Because I have done for y square equal to 4x. I should have done for minus 4x. But don't, if you do it minus 4x, then nothing will change. Only a minus will come in case of it. So you can do it in this way. You put y is equal to, only minus will come. Y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So it will be minus 1 by 2 m square, comma, minus 1 by m. So you see, so your statement 2 is correct. It is, they are saying that it will be tangent, this line, that is your y is equal to mx minus 1 by 2m. This line will be tangent. Can it be this line? First let us see line. Line also, what was the line? Y equal to mx plus a is equal to minus 1 by 2m. So that means y is equal to mx minus 1 by 2m. Okay, this line can be tangent. So this is also true. You can see this line is also tangent. And at what point it is tangent? At this point. So statement 2 is absolutely true. So now you come to statement 1. What is the line they have given? 2y is equal to x minus 2, or y is equal to 1 by 2x minus 1. What is m here? M is equal to 1. Sorry, m is equal to 2. So can you make it in this fashion? So let us see. It is m, that is half x minus 1 by 2 into m is half. Yes, we can do it, because it is, you can see this line is this is the line. So 2m, so this is in this format, mx in this format, mx 1 by 2m, mx 1 by 2 into m is half, so it should be 1. So this is 1. So obviously this is the tangent. And whether it is tangent at minus 2 comma 2, let us check. Your a is equal to half, so the point will be minus 1 by 2 half square minus 1 by 1 by 2 comma. So it will be minus 1 by 4 by 2. So, and it is minus, how many minus I am giving? So it is minus 2. So it is minus 2 comma, because it is 4. So 4 and 1, you can cancel it, it will be 2, it is 1. So it is minus 2 comma, okay. The point is also minus 2, okay. So that means it is correct. By using 2, we are finding 1. 2 is the general statement, 2 is true. This line will be always tangent at this point for this given case. And the 1, this line is in this format only, that's why it is tangent, and the point is also in this format, so that's why it will be tangent at this point. So 2 is also correct, 1 is also true, and you are using 2 to find 1. Okay, therefore the answer is option A. That is your answer. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.